If you're having issues with your glutes and you have the PSO spine, maybe you're at work and you can't get on the ground, or the ground's a little bit too intense for you, the wall is great. Make sure the feet are clean so it doesn't scuff up the wall. They're clear, it should be fine. But now we're gonna go perpendicular here. And this is nice when you have some shorts on or some sweats and you're just shifting your body side to side. The wall is really nice because it's giving you different angles, different pressure to get into those muscles. And sometimes, maybe you don't have any issues with going on with your glutes, but maybe you just did a hard workout and it's sore and you just need some love, right? You need to get some blood flow there. We need to get some of that stuff out. This is great. Feels great. I can shift my body around. I can do these little side, go all the way up. Even though you might be pressing into some bone, that's not a problem. Every area in your body needs to be massaged. It just needs to be a different pressure for different areas. All right? Squat down. I can make it more intense by bringing my feet out, shifting side to side. I can find a spot and I can move my leg here. This can feel really good after a leg workout, glute workout. I'm bringing it right down below, so my booty's here, and I'm bringing it right down to that connection part where the backside of my leg comes up and connects to the This one's really nice too, that if you've been sitting for a long time, the PSO spine is great for traveling. It's small, it's flat, can fit in your bag really well. This one, I recommend traveling with all of them, but this one and the PSO-RITE, I'd say those two can be able to hit every single single muscle in your body that will potentially get tight from the stress and the sitting and all the stuff that comes with traveling. So you can even sit on this on the chair too, which I'll show that in another video. But just shifting and just really helping getting blood flow, waking that up. When you sit on your butt for a long time, it's getting blood flow away from it. So we need to stand up, we need to move, we need to do some gentle massage. I can do that all day. Try that out, let me know what you think.